Today, I'll walk you through how to deactivate your Snapchat account temporarily, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to navigate the app to deactivate your account so you can take a break from social media without losing your data. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. This is the familiar yellow icon with a ghost logo, the one that has become synonymous with sharing quick moments with friends. Once you have the app open, tap on your Snapchat profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This icon typically features your Bitmoji or a generic ghost. If you haven't set one up yet, it's your personal gateway to your Snapchat settings. Next, look for the gear settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This is where all the magic happens. Think of it as the control center for your Snapchat experience. Now scroll all the way down until you find the option labeled Delete Account. This might feel like a big step, but don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The layout can vary depending on updates or device types. Once you find Delete Account, tap on it. You'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Go ahead and fill in those details and then tap on Continue. This step is crucial as it verifies that it's really you making this decision, just like signing a form to confirm your identity. Finally, remember to log back into your account within 30 days to ensure it doesn't get permanently deleted. This is your safety net. Think of it as a grace period that allows you to change your mind. And there you have it. You've successfully deactivated your Snapchat account temporarily. It's a straightforward process, but it's always good to know how to manage your social media presence. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.